Hey shoppers, we're back in the kitchen making an elegant but simple summertime dessert, Patriotic Pavlova. Pavlova is a meringue dessert with a crisp crust on the outside and a soft, light inside. It's usually topped with fruit and whipped cream. For the base of our pavlova, we're making a meringue round, so we'll start by whisking together 4 room temperature egg whites on a high speed. It's really important that you don't get any of the egg yolk in the mixture. Even accidentally adding the slightest amount and you won't get the light and airy texture you need for the meringue. Once our egg whites start to froth, we'll slowly add in 1 cup of granulated sugar and continue to beat on high until soft peaks form. You'll know it's ready when you hold up your whisk and it looks like this. Then we'll fold in cornstarch, vanilla, and a little bit of vinegar. The cornstarch and vinegar are a little secret for helping your meringue keep its shape in the oven. We'll transfer the meringue base to parchment and shape it into a 9-inch disc that's about 2 to 3 inches tall. Use your spatula to add lots of texture to the sides and top. We'll want to bake the meringue on a low temperature, 250 degrees, for 90 minutes. This keeps the outside nice and crisp, and the inside is soft and almost marshmallow-y. Once our 90 minutes are up, we'll turn off the heat, but leave the meringue in the oven for 1 hour. Try not to open the door or else the heat will escape. For our topping, we'll prepare fresh whipped cream. To a chilled mixing bowl, we'll add heavy cream, powdered sugar, and vanilla. Beat until stiff peaks form. Once the meringue has cooled, we'll top it with our whipped cream and decorate with our fresh berries. It's the perfect dessert to end your summer cookout. We hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching and see you next time.